So what you would do is copy the page, go back to, see, I like to just go back to my main page and then go to where I was at. And then here, what I would do is you would get your thumbnails, and then right at the bottom here, you're going to add page after, and it's going to tell you to paste the page, and it's going to paste the page that I just copied from the other section. So that is how you copy and paste pages. This section right here will be in the digital planning series. So that's how you copy and paste the pages. Let me show you one more time. If I wanted to copy this exact template to the back of this, because I needed one, or any template, if I wanted a blank template and I already had something here, so let me show you with this one. So this is a blank template, and obviously I dropped everything on top. So if I wanted this page with everything on it, I would simply duplicate, and it'll create another copy. To delete it, simply just move it to the trash. So if I wanted this template, but I only wanted the template itself and not any of the imaging, writing, and all of that, you were gonna hit the plus button and you're going to hit current template. You can also do this at the very end of a planner. So for example, if I were to go to the very last page on this planner, so let's say this was my last page, and this is more useful for a notebook. So you continue to write and you want another page, you will simply press to the left and it's going to copy that same page. So now I'll have it twice. So again, that would only be useful, obviously I'm going to delete this. Let me show you where that would be useful. So again, that would only work if you're doing a notebook. So let's create a new notebook out of nowhere, something that you're just going to be writing notes on. Let's choose dotted paper. Let's create. Right, so if you are writing, you're in class and you're writing notes, obviously you're not going to write notes like that, but today we are learning blah blah blah, and then you get to the bottom of this page and you run out, you don't have to click add a current page. You just press and hold, move it over to the side. Here's your second page, continue to write. That's your second page, continue to write. That's it. That's how you copy paste pages. That's how you make pages, how you make a notebook.